girls is cutting paper. Ansika, huh? Show your flower. Show your flower. Okay. Naughty boys are here. Good for nothing. Good for nothing. What yes means? Shame on you. Show your Rakhi. Jayashree. Okay. Jayashree's Rakhi making is over. Here you keep. Have you written your name here? Backside you okay. Keep here. Very good.
Wow. Very
good. Anvesa's Rakhi making also over. Bring Anvesa. Keep here. Have you written your name backside? Right and come. My class 3 students, they are making Rakhi. See, Sai Sritam, give a smile. Where is your Rakhi? Hey girls, shake your hands. Shake your hands. Show your Rakhi. Where is your Rakhi? Now you have started. Huh? Now? Okay. Okay, make. Class 5 girls, they are making Rakhi. Shake your hands. Show your Rakhi. Rakhis. Wow. Srusti, it is not visible. Huh? It is ready-made. Huh? Now you are making. Alpha, where is your Rakhi? Oh my God. Show your Rakhi. It is beautiful. This is called Rakhi, no? Rakhi. Wow. Poonam. Aisa, show your Rakhi. Okay, do. Here are the boys. Naughty boys. Good for nothing. Oh, here. Oh my God. So, which one is yours?
मिस इसका सारा मिस थोड़ा मैं भी है
2 Rakhis you made? Okay.
Forward है नहीं
Pratiti, show how you are doing. Do. Okay. Panda is making white Rakhi. Show your Rakhi. It's beautiful. Bring Sonam. Show your Rakhi. Keep here. Wow. Keep here. Keep. Good. Go. Beautiful. Bye. Pandas Rakhi is over.